Okay, one of the most frequent questions that we asked with is when you generate a delivery ticket and you're trying to pick up a unit number, sometimes you will be faced with a message that the quantity is insufficient for this location. And what does it mean and how to resolve this issue? I will show you on one of the example of one of the rental items. So let me pick up the light tower. I'm opening the unit number list and I'm trying to find the unit number 3030. I open this is actually the way how to open the rental units history. So you go to the rental item card, you switch to the unit numbers tab, you will find your unit number and you can check the whole history of all the operations with this unit. So it will show you by which document what action have been done and what the status was of this unit. So as you can see here, red locations means that something went in a wrong way. I will explain it in details on this particular case. So you can see that this light tower have been delivered and deployed at the Karen A3H location with a delivery ticket on June 6th at 16:43. Then by the other delivery ticket, it was deployed again on the next date at 8:18, again from the RigER yard to the other location. However, we haven't been returned this unit before the next deployment. The return was performed on the 7th of June and later than the second delivery. So it caused this misunderstanding in the system because we delivered this unit twice. So how to fix this problem? We need to go to the delivery ticket return. I can go, I can dive deep to this document from here. Just double click on the document number. And what I need to do, I need to change the time of this document. Let's say it will be 6 a.m. So I post and close this document. And now when I create this report again, this issue is fixed. So now we have the proper consequence of the actions. So first we deliver this equipment to the Karen A3H location. Then with the delivery ticket return, we returned to our RigER yard. And then we delivered it again in a few hours. That's how to fix, that is exactly how to fix the red quantity issue. Also, how to reach the rental units history report. We can go to the Oilfield Rentals, open the reports section, and here you can find the rental units history report. Just select the item, serial number, and build the report. Also, we have a rental unit number by days dashboard. In the Oilfield Rentals menu, you will find it in the Tools section. So I'll open this report. I select my rental unit. So I can see the availability dashboard for all the light towers here. And it will show you the status of the unit at each particular day. So we see that this unit was deployed pretty much the whole month, but this one was available, then deployed, and then it becomes to the no status activity. So I can click on the day of this unit and I see that on this day it was delivered. It was a delivery ticket return that caused the change of the status. And we have information about the client, location, and field technician who performed that action. We can also filter by different statuses by clicking on different squares, which indicates different statuses of this unit.